Per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, sometimes referred to as forever chemicals, have been found in animal tissues, human plasma, drinking water sources, and across the global hydrosphere. Understanding the relationship between PFAS detection and aqueous film forming AFFF use is an active area of research and testing. Beyond that, the Department of Defense has been mandated to stop use of legacy PFAS-containing AFFFs and transition to PFAS-free AFFF products that are expected to have reduced persistence and accordingly reduce their transport across the landscape and into biota of concern. Sometimes a simple route really is the best route. However, avoiding a regrettable substitution is an important concern in product transition. So, 6 PFAS-free AFFF products that are either on the market or in development are being studied by several teams. Here at the Defense Centers for Public Health Aberdeen, our approach is based on applying a uniform toxicity study type across these AFFF products to compare toxic effects that are important to people and wildlife. Currently, we're also studying mice exposed to AFFFs over different life stages and longer time periods. For instance, life stages like during mating, potential pregnancy, and early development. We have a great team dedicated to high-quality studies. A particular area concerned with these products is that they're very difficult to measure and mix together without bubbling, because they're actually made of soap. So in our lab, diligence and attention to detail aren't sarcastic job requirements. We're also doing our best to ensure that our studies evaluate a variety of endpoints. In this case, our initial studies indicate that many of the PFAS-free AFFF products are not as toxic to mammals as the reference AFFF product Buckeye, and several actually show very minimal toxicity overall. And in closing, I'd like to acknowledge the contributions of our whole study team, the veterinary support team, our CERTIP collaborators in the CERTIP program office, and lastly, our leadership team here at the Defense Centers for Public Health Aberdeen.